Alright, this is part 2 of my skate project. I went and got these chrome door handle covers to match. Goes on over like this pretty much. It's held on by 3M tape. It's pretty cool. It pretty much matches the chrome mirror covers. So we're gonna put those on real quick. It's gonna look pretty good instead of that plain blue color. All right, let's get this done. Okay, got all that plastic off. Pretty much lined them all out right here. And now I'm gonna go to the door handles and hook them up, put them on. Okay, it took me a while to get that 3M tape off the covers of the 3M. It's a pain, so I had to use these tweezers to help me take those off. It was nagging. So we're about to put them on right now and check them out. Okay, pull the 3M tape off. We're about to stick the first one on. I think I'm gonna go with the door lock one first. The 3M tape's right there. Let's go over here and check this out. Line it up. Maybe I'll do the long one first, just in case. Okay, the 3M tape on the long one, the long piece. Okay. Let's line it up, make sure before we permanently stick it. Okay. Look like it's on there pretty good. That 3M is no joke. Let's go get the second piece. Alright. That's the second piece. Line it up. It's kind of hard using one hand and recording while you're putting things on. It looks good. Alright, now I got 3 more to go. Okay, so far so good. That's one side. I gotta go around to the other side. Deal with the rest. Alright, almost there. This is the other side. Got one more to go. One more to go. Alright. Looks like it came out good. Nice chrome mirrors, nice chrome door handles. This is 2012 Ford Escape. This is the limited. Limited has more chrome on it than the regulars. At least the door handles don't look dull, that dull blue anymore. Pretty cool, man. But it's coming along. I'm not done. Got the chrome grill. The limiteds come with that. I'm not done. All right, peace.